Perfectionism kills creativity.
This is relevant to any skills or sets of passions that we have put aside due to the fear of creating anything less than a masterpiece. I used to make charcoal or graphite portrait sketches that took me hours or even days to complete. Sometimes I would even lift them halfway. I dread starting a sketch. Why? Because I had to give the best of my best to make one sketch. But then I fell in love with ink sketches. I could just doodle or mess around with ink and still make something out of it. I did not feel the urge to make a perfect sketch. I was not scared to sketch anymore. The more I sketched, the quick I became. I let go of the perfectionism in sketching, but the perfectionism still haunts me in other aspects of my life, say painting. As much as I enjoy painting, I am worried the painting might come off unpleasant. I can't readily start a painting as I can't sketch because I have yet to let go of perfectionism while painting. I have all sorts of painting ideas in my head, but if perfectionism holds me from making quick paintings, I can't execute those ideas. Perfectionism makes you procrastinate. You either go all in or nowhere. So I am letting go of perfectionism and going to paint more so I can create more paintings and more videos to post in YouTube. So cheers to letting go of the fear of being imperfect.